Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Another video on ticker symbol IBRX. You know I have been making few videos lately on this particular stock. Why not? Actually, it ran from 1.5 area all the way to $7 today, and still it is looking good. So I thought I should make this video just to give you an update on the price action. Should you get in, get out, take profit, whatever. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about how it is looking like, the short interest, few other things. At the same time, if you want to day trade this particular stock. And when I'm talking about day trading, today we did awesome, like for STSS from the suggested entry to the high of the day, 28%. You can see big move, TCRX, UCAR, UFAB almost 65%, MVST almost 50%. So end of the day, you can see our suggested entry and also the highest move, all the big numbers here. And if you want to get this kind of trade ideas with entry, exit for stock and option, I would say go visit my Patreon website. The link will be in the first comment. Go there, sign up and get access to our Discord for day trading. Also, we give swing trading and also for option. Okay, so IBRX. So the plan was always to keep an eye on ticker symbol on the support of 5.7. So back to back few days, we can make this day trading easily looking at 5.7 because that was the prior resistance. Then we saw it was supported yesterday and move, and today again it came to 5.7 and move. I know few people played from 5.7 all the way to like 6.3, like 11%. It's not a huge gain. Like end of the day, you can say like it was like 50%, 60% life changing thing, but still it is a good one. You can see that if you took IBRX at 5.7 around 11.27, we are up 10%, take some profit when it will go close to 6.5, and you can see that it went to 6.4 area and then came down, still looking good. We will come back to the price action, but before that, if you look at the volume today, not very exciting. 5 million compared to 6 million average volume. If you look day by day volume, my worry is the volume is coming down. When I made my last video, I talked, see the volume is going up. Now I'm saying see how the volume is coming down. So maybe the excitement is cooling off, and especially when you look at the price action, you can see the price is almost the flat. Now at a low volume, it is moving a little bit, so it might come down. I know people are waiting for FDA approval. It will come, but it ran a lot from 1.5 all the way to $7. So it's okay if it comes down a little bit, pull back, and then again it goes up. The most interesting thing is the short interest is 24.95%. You can see here, if I come to the chart, you can see that the short interest came from 22.85 to 24.95. The utilization is 100%, which is really good. Cost to borrow is also high. So looking like the short interest actually went higher. So if volume comes, this thing can push again. Now, if I go back, or especially if you're on day trade, what you need to see, can it hold 5.7? The other thing you want to see, can it break this 6.5 area, and can it break this $7 area to go towards 7.86? Looking at a 1 hour chart, if I zoom out, you can see that this area has lots of resistance, and it is having the same kind of problem, having lots of resistance between 6.5 and $7 area. But if it can break this area, it might move. It might move towards 7.86 and then maybe around $9. But it is having a tough area. It needs to clear out. But if you see on an overall picture that it did a nice run up, it held couple of hours, you can see on a 2 hour chart, couple of candles, then it did a nice push. Again, it is trying to hold. If it can hold this 5.7 and if it can go over, it might push again. I don't want to say it is done, but it can go up again. Now let's look at few other things. I want to add the RSI on a daily chart, and if I add this, you will see that the RSI was 9 on a daily, which means it was oversold. From there, the RSI is 92. Anything over 70 is overbought. So it needs to come down. It needs to cool off. That's what I'm seeing. The volume is coming down. The price action is moving sideways. The RSI is too hot. So maybe you might see a day for pullback. So if you are in a good profit, many of our Discord members, they are in good profit, take profit. If it comes down, you can always average down. or if you're waiting for a big news, it's up to you if you want to hold. But in terms of like short-term profitability, maybe a good time to take profit. Okay, and once it will come down maybe around 5.7 or 5.09, you can enter again and run the next wave upward. Anyway, just wanted to give you an update. And also, if you like my charting, my technical support, resistance, all the alert, we have been making money, then yeah, just give a try. It just costs 15 to 20 bucks. It's not a huge amount of money, right? You can go there, sign up, and you can get access to our Discord. Anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.